In this video, I'll compare three popular money transfer platforms, Lemfi, Remitly, and Wise, to help you figure out which one is the smartest choice for sending money abroad. I'll cover costs, speed, coverage, and some lesser-known features that could save you time and money. Let's start with Lemfi. Lemfi is designed primarily for immigrants sending money back home, especially to countries in Africa and parts of Asia. Transfers to places like Nigeria, Ghana, and India are often completed within minutes. The mobile app is straightforward and focused on ease of use, with competitive exchange rates and low fees. Lemfi also runs frequent promotions for first-time users. The main drawback is limited coverage. If your destination country isn't on their list, you'll need to use another service. Next up, Remitly. Operating since 2011, Remitly has expanded to serve over 170 countries. It's great for remittances thanks to multiple delivery options, bank deposits, cash pickup points, and mobile wallet transfers. Their express service can get money delivered in minutes, while the economy option is cheaper but takes longer. The downside is that exchange rates include a markup, usually 0.5% to 3%, so you might get slightly less for your money compared to mid-market rates. Finally, Wise, formerly TransferWise, is all about transparency. You get the real mid-market exchange rate with a clear, upfront fee that's often lower than traditional banks or other transfer services. Wise supports over 160 countries and offers a multi-currency account so you can hold, send, and receive money in different currencies. Transfers usually take 1-2 business days, and while Wise excels for bank-to-bank transfers, it has limited options for cash pickups. Which should you choose? Pick Lemfi for low-cost, fast transfers to supported African and Asian countries. Choose Remitly if you want speed and flexibility in payout options. Go with Wise if transparency, low fees, and multi-currency management are your top priorities.